beauties, welcome back to my channel. This side Veronica. So in this video I just washed my hair. As you can see, they are wet right now and I just wrapped them in my towel. So in today's video I'm going to show you my new goat milk hair shampoo and conditioner which I just used, and I'm going to show you the live result, that how my hair looks after washing, after using this goat milk shampoo. So beauties, let's get started. And really I'm super duper excited for this video. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this is from my own and I used it today for the first time, and I'm shooting this video for you guys that how goat milk is amazing and good for your hair. So I heard a lot about it, so today I'm shooting this. So let's get started. So now I am just pulling my hair. Okay, though they are still wet, damp hair actually, taking my brush and doing it like this. I can feel my hair is like super soft and the scalp is clean. It cleaned my scalp too, you can see. So beauties, after washing my hair with this goat milk shampoo, first of all let me tell you about the shampoo and everything. This is from NEUD, add balance to your hair, goat milk based premium hair shampoo. So this is the shampoo, you can see, shampoo and conditioner from NEUD. It is like made from pure goat milk. Beauties, its ingredients are like super good. It has pure goat milk, it has fenugreek seeds, and it has aloe vera extract. These are the main three ingredients of the shampoo, and trust me, after using this shampoo I can feel it just cleanse my scalp. The main thing is that it just cleansed my scalp. It made my hair very soft, and I'm waiting to let it dry actually. Until then beauties, let me show you its box and everything. It comes in a beautiful carton like this. Hair shampoo and conditioner, it comes in a beautiful carton like this. You are going to get this pouch, the travel friendly pouch, and then you are going to get this bottle inside it. So here is how to use it, how you have to use it, what are the benefits of it, and everything written on it. And this is a beautiful carton of it. Seriously beauties, this goat milk shampoo just made my hair super soft, and it just made my hair like very shiny too. As we all know, goat milk is a like powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Goat milk is amazing not only for hair, for your skin, for getting that wrinkle-free, gluey and good skin. Goat milk is amazing, and for hair, as you can see, this is really amazing. Trust me, goat milk is amazing for your hair, for your skin, and especially for your hair. Just go for the shampoo and conditioner, and I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box, so you can easily go and buy it from there and just give it a try. If you're having hair fall problem, if you're having rough hair, frizzy hair, scalp, if you're having that a severe hair fall I must say, and if you're having that rough hair, then just go and give it a try to this goat milk shampoo, and trust me, this will gonna help you somehow. Just go and try it, and don't forget to comment in the comment section that how you liked it, or if you have already used it, then again just share your experience with us. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. If you have any queries or any recommendation about videos, just comment it. Do follow me on Instagram and do subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.